We are going to install this Auto One diesel heater into the van. It was previously installed by the previous owner, but we're going to install it just a bit different. Let me show you. So most people who install this, they install it basically just like this. But I have an issue with this unit, and which is why I'm going to install it differently from the previous owner. Not only is this unit big and bulky, but its Auto One solution is very flawed. Starting with this gas or diesel tank. It was immediately leaking. Why? Because this is so dang flimsy and cheap. So they cheap out on the diesel tank. This fuel pump is loud and obnoxious. And this unit itself is just so big and bulky. You might be thinking, I want it this way so it'd be easier to install into my application. So I want to show you how easy it is to do a clean install without all this big bulkiness and upgrade the tank. Yeah. It's like little tack welds, so cheaply made. Now you do have to buy this plate at the market, which I already did. And we're going to put it on just so we can see what it looks like. Then you put it on just like this, where the fuel line comes out right here. Start twisting, and then it'll come right on. Now we can install these bolts if we wanted to. And this diesel heater already has a gasket. See the gasket right here? Beautiful. Depending where you are, if you're in an off-grid cabin or a van or, I don't know, a car or a garage, it depends how you're gonna do this. For me, I want it to be as low profile as possible. So that's how we're gonna put it underneath this seat. Gotta unplug the plugs, y'all. If that's not perfect, I don't know what is. The thing about going this route is that there's some stuff in the way, but we can easily maneuver around it. So we have the exhaust here, but then we have the exhaust shield. We're gonna take the fuel line and route it this way on this side of the exhaust shield and go around the fuel pump that way. Here's my aftermarket fuel line. I'm gonna install this here. Now I'm gonna install this underneath the floor on this side and then route this fuel line that way. Getting close to a stopping point. Now I just need to connect it to this, then plug it in. So I have the fuel tank up front rigged to see if it's gonna work. So that botch repair I did on this fuel tank, yeah, it's leaking from there. However, I have it tilted in such a way it's not gonna leak from it. It'll be temporarily setting just like that until I get a new one. Then I'll plug in the actual unit itself. So positive to positive, negative to negative. Currently cold air because we do need to prime it, which I have no idea how to do that. So we're currently priming the system. I just had to hold these two buttons at the same time. Now it's priming. Not sure if you're gonna be able to see this. Fill it up and see the fuel just go away. And I recommend filling that line all the way to help prime the system, especially if your line is kind of long. Got exhaust coming out, it's pretty hot. We got hot air coming out. Do not buy this diesel heater. Don't. Instead, buy the diesel heater deconstructed. You can control what you're using in the contraption. Then if you buy just a diesel heater, you can install it anywhere you want. Anyways, this is Chris. Always appreciate and respect another. I'll see you next time.